Unlock the full video potential of your Canon EOS Rp and transform it from a stills camera into a filmmaking powerhouse with this essential guide. First, set your mode dial to movie mode. This is your gateway to video settings. Next, navigate to the menu and select your desired resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 24 or 30 frames per second is great for most projects, or choose 4K for maximum detail if your computer can handle it. Now, optimize your autofocus. The dual pixel CMOS AF on the Rp is fantastic, so experiment with different AF area modes like face detection tracking to keep your subject sharp. Master your exposure using aperture, ISO, and shutter speed. A wide aperture creates a shallow depth of field, while keeping your ISO as low as possible minimizes noise. Remember the 180° shutter rule. If shooting at 24 frames per second, aim for a shutter speed of around 1/50th of a second. Improve your audio significantly by using an external microphone. The Rp has a microphone input, so plug in a shotgun mic or a lavalier mic for crisp, clear sound. For smoother footage, consider using a gimbal or tripod. This will eliminate shaky shots and give your videos a professional look. Finally, explore different picture styles or color profiles to achieve your desired look. Canon's neutral profile gives you the most flexibility in post-production color grading. With these settings and accessories, your Canon EOS Rp is ready to capture stunning videos for any project. Don't forget to experiment and find what works best for your style.